This is traditional Sri Lankan yam. This is called Kiri Ala. I'm going to pull one. I'm going to make a spicy Kiri Ala curry. So my main ingredient is Kiri Ala, sliced tomatoes, green chili, garlic, rampe, curry leaves, oil, green chili, chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, salt, sliced onion, mustard seed, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and coconut milk. First of all, we need to cut our Kiri Ala. Peel that. This yam we picked up from our organic farm, and we need to cut this equal dices. Same time we need to on our preheat pot. First of all, we are going to add some oil and curry leaves, rampe, garlic, sliced green chili, onion. Now we're going to add some mustard seed, cardamom, we call Sri Lankan NSR, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. And we are adding some chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, salt. Having good straining. We add in some tomatoes, and we will be adding finally our Kiri Ala rice. Our final ingredient is fresh coconut milk. This is my spicy Kiri Ala curry.